What's happening, guys? So here we are. We're going to show you the Britannia Breakout and obviously how we used it today. This is a strategy that we've developed. It's from 8 till 8:15. And what it involves is drawing a rectangle around the opening of the London session, which is between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. So if you're looking here, we've got an upward channel on the 15-minute time frame here. So we've got a nice channel marked out. We've got a key level here of 1.33300. Okay, so we're currently at 7:15 here. Okay, so we've now got the 7:45. The 8 a.m. candle is this candle here. Okay, so we're going to let this candle play out. Okay, and this is the 8 a.m. and the 8:15 candles, which takes us up to 8:30. Okay, so we've got, if I point out here, we've got our top, which is this one here, and we've got our bottom here. All right, so we've already marked this out. So what we're looking for here is a breakout either way. We either want a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Remember, we've got a key level here as a confluence, and we've got our channel here as well. So let's wait and see how this plays out. Okay, so we obviously had our breakout here. What we then do is we wait, obviously, for a retest on this, which is what's happened. And we're looking to take it probably down to these lows here, which is about 50 pips, stops just above the breakout area here. All right, so what we're looking for here is a nice continuation. And as you can see here, if I speed this up for everybody, that is exactly what happens, just like this. There we go. Take profit hit, nice and easy. And obviously it's little strategies like this that we implement in the VIP group. So if you guys are interested, let us know. If not, have a great day. And yeah, I'm going to do plenty more like this for everybody. So have a good one.